Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking such videos, then you can hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our number. And for the ones who want to be part of my secret Telegram channel, or if you want to open your trading account, you can click the link in video description and open your account in either Zerodha or Upstox or Angel Broking. As of now, Angel Broking is giving free account, so you can open your account. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 different ways how we can pick a BTST stock. So BTST is nothing but buy today and sell tomorrow. So how do we pick stocks in such a way that tomorrow when the market opens, the next day there will be a gap up happening or some movement, stock goes make a different high. All those benefits are there. So how can we take advantage of that? So for that we need to buy a stock before one day itself, and next day opening, in the opening hours, let's say in 15 minutes or half an hour, traders sell their position and make their profit. So which are the common, there are so many methods you would have read in different platforms and different websites and all those. So I will talk about 3 commonly used methods which all the beginners can follow. When I say follow, it should be paper trading and observations only, not with your real money. So write it down and observe for a few days, because this is just to pick a stock. Okay, the logic to pick a stock. How you enter and how you manage your risk is up to you, because currently the market is volatile. The day I'm recording this video, market is volatile. So your strategy will be different, how you enter and exit. Same way when the market is stable, how you enter and exit will totally be different, because the trend changes. So this is just how to pick a stock. After picking a stock, use your indicator, use your own method or strategy of entry, exit and target, all that. So without wasting time, let's start off this video.
So kindly paper trade this method or else observe this method. Do not kindly put your hard-earned money. So like always I tell, practice for a week or for certain months to get the idea, then apply your skills to make it better. So now let's say the first method is going to be news based. So we can enter into certain stocks for BTST with the help of news. So there are 2 different things which I would like to tell. One is if the market news is before 3:30 p.m. that is our market hours. So before, within the market hour, if there is any news, then if there is some good news, okay, if there is some good news, then you know that the earnings was good, everything is good and the stock is green for the day, then it is understood that you can take a stock only if the stock is trading near its high. Okay, end of the day the stock should not reverse and come down, and the candle should not become like this. The stick should not be big. Okay, so the body should be there and stick should be very small. That means this is 1 day candle. So if you see the market, the price of the stock is trading near the high of the day, overall day, after let's say in 3 o'clock time or 3:15 it is trading near high, then you can take such stocks, so that tomorrow either in a gap up or let's say within 9:30 or 9:45 you can sell off the shares in 15 to 30 minutes movement. Okay, so like that you can take an advantage. That is on good news stocks. One more is if the market news is after 3:30, that is after the market hours the news is going to come. So in this type of situation, what will happen, most of the fundamental analysts, what they will do the research how the stocks earning is going to be. For example, if the news is on Reliance, then they will try to identify roughly what is the earnings going to be. Is it going to be positive or negative? So like that you can follow certain reports sent by different sources like Money Control, Economic Times. They will say, so analysts in the street are looking for a positive 10%, 5%. If they're talking negative 10% loss of 5% and all, ignore them, don't take. So if they're talking about something like positive plus 5% profit year on year or quarter on quarter basis and all those, if there is some positive news, then yes, you can try taking the stock around 3:15 only if the stock is again trading near its high. First the stock should be positive today, okay, and then the stock should be trading near the high, not like this big shadow and the body is small. So the stock should be trading like this and your candle should be either small like this, the stick. Okay, so that in that conditions you can take in based of news. In this you have the risk is little bit higher, I would say, compared to this case. In this case you know that the things are perfect, it's a good news and all those. In case you miss also you can hold and all those, but in this case you don't know whether what the prediction is correct or not. So if something goes wrong or something bad happens, then everything goes into wrong. Okay, so this one be a little bit careful. Method 2, how traders follow, is nothing but the open is equal to low. So open is equal to low is nothing but, see, this is the open price. Let's say 100 is the open price of the stock. The low made is also 100 only. It has not gone below from that point. The day it opened, the time it opened, it has not gone down, it has just gone upside. So that is nothing but our open is equal to low condition. So you can put 1-day candle, okay, in your chart, whichever trading account you're using, 1-day chart you put, and then see that open it should be is equal to low, or you have so many scanners to check, or you can check in NSE also, wherever you want you can check. So what you have to do, post 3 p.m. okay, you have to wait till 3 p.m. till this condition should be there. What will happen, morning 9:30 or 9:45 some stocks will break its low and the conditions will go off. So 3 o'clock, the stocks which are still having this condition of open is equal to low, they are selected. Now among those selected stock, what you need to do, your LTP, that is last traded price, should be near high. That's the same condition what I told previously. See, this is your high, okay, imagine 110 is your high and this your open is equal to low is 100. So stock should be somewhere, let's say 109, like that, okay, because people are pushing the stock so much that the stock is trading near its high itself, and it's closing end of the day it is near the high. So that is one confirmation for you to take a stock, which is an example which you should not take. This is the example. See, this is what I told you, open is equal to low is 100, but you see where is the LTP is here, let's say 104, 100, 110. So it has come 6 rupees down. So you see a big shadow, a big stick like this, wicks like this. So sellers are pushing this particular stock down. So there is a selling pressure on this stock, not a buying pressure like this. So this type of example, if you find this type of open is equal to low and end of the day after 3 or 3:15, when you see it is like this, leave it. If you find the candle like this, or if you see the LTP is near high, then you can select the stock. Tomorrow within, let's say 9:30 or 9:45, you will start booking a profit. Either in gap up, gap down, you may get 1%, 2% movement luckily, or else it may open flat and then there will be initial push of up and down. During that time you should be very ready. Recommended is by 9:30, if you try booking a profit, it is good, because sometimes the stock will spike and then come down also. So be very careful, book in early minutes of the day. Last method is nothing but volume. So you know that whenever there is some volume going on, then it's a very good sign. So two ways how you can find this volume burst, that is last 15 minutes or 30 minutes. For this you can use scanners. In scanners you can identify whether 15 or 30 minutes is there any volume burst. So based on that you can identify which stock had that volume burst, which may continue tomorrow when the market opens, right? So that is how we can select a stock. Secondary is volume gainers for the day, that is Nifty 100 only. So either if you find in NSE India, all that, you get top volume gainers for the day. If you find those stocks in Nifty 100 only, okay, not Nifty 500, only Nifty 100 list, if you find that stock name, then you can take the stocks whose volume was high today, considering they will go tomorrow up. But remember, again, same condition apply if it is trading near its high. Okay, so this is your high, so it should trade near its high. The top shadow should be very small on 1-day candle. So these type of symptoms, if you see on any stocks, these are the logics: volume, open is equal to low, or else let's say news based. These are the symptoms which you will see. And like I told you, the candles, if you find like these type of candles, this is how you can take advantage on our BTST, buy today and sell tomorrow. So hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. Just paper trade this or observe this, because we believe in learning first. So once you get the confidence, apply your skill of target, apply your skill of entering and exit and all those. So it's up to you how you will manage those things. So practice and get back after few weeks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.